my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my CBD of Styles channel. Today guys is the official first Christmas decor for this year. I'm so excited. I'm running a little bit late because I had a family emergency, so I couldn't post on time. But guys, I'm here and I'm going to bring you some quick content. Guys, I'm starting with this Christmas tree and I bought two because I have a crazy idea in mind that require to spend a lot of money, so I always go the smartest way for me to do so, guys. So one of them is to put in the corner up here and the other one to decorate the entrance. And guys, I'm really excited how my home going to turns out. So if you want to see the full house, please don't miss on none of the videos. And guys, I'm starting with this Christmas tree. One of them, it has light and one of them doesn't. The one that has light, that's one I'm going to put in the corner. The one that doesn't, that's one I'm going to put apart so I can use as garland. That's the idea. And guys, I like to put start my leg like this to prevent me from bending too much. So if you can bend, by all means, but me, I don't want to do all the bending. So guys, and that's me starting putting this Christmas tree together. And guys, I haven't decorated this place on camera yet, so that's the first time that I'm going to use this place. What I do in this particular area, that's where me and my family we watch movie, because I wanted to close it. I changed my mind, and for me to keep it like that, it keep the aesthetic of the house and I love it better. So I don't know what I might do in the future, but as of for now, I'll keep it this way. We just do movie night here. Me and my family, we creating great memories, and that's all life is all about. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
For this area, I'm going to use this ornament. It's kind of dusty blue, turquoise, if I may say it this way, but it's not too vibrant, and I like it. I get them from Burlington. They're super nice. I like them, and they're not that expensive. I think I paid $10 for them. Yeah, so that's the color that I'm going to use here. So you know, downstairs gonna be white and gold and silver. So here I didn't want too much vibrant colors, so that's my preference. And this is the part that I'm going to put the other tree. So I'm going to put the other tree apart so I can use it as a garland, because it's gonna cost me cheaper. And this tree I paid like $49. It was on sale at Walmart. I like it because I am able to remove all the branches and use it as a garland. And to be honest with you, this tree alone going to just go toward my home because it served me better like this than to spend money on buying garland, because the one that I really love, they like $30 a piece, and I'm going to use 5 gallons to put up there, but I didn't want to overdo. This one is a perfect way for me to go. Now I'm almost finished to put the tree apart, and guys, it was easy for me to do. And yeah, it's an inexpensive way for me to get my garland. My home is fairly big, so I really like the way I come out with this idea just to help me with the cost of everything. So I really like it, guys. If anything that I use in my video interests you, like always, feel free to check the link down below. And guys, in my channel is a way for me to give you ideas how you can make your home look luxuriously beautiful without spending too much money. And this is the place that I'm going to use them. Guys, it's super long. It's gonna cost me a lot of money if I go with the garland route, but this route is very easy, fair for me, and then it still look more beautiful because the branch of the trees, they are fuller than the garland I was going to buy itself, and I really like it.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da, making our Christmas.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Yo, I really love the way my family room, that's the way I call it, turns out, because that's the place we spend time. So that's the place of my home. The kid can be kid, so it's not only to look at, it's for them to enjoy. I really like it. So guys, at night time, that's the way we enjoy, me and my children. We have so much fun, we create so much memory here. I really love it how everything is right now. So this wall art, I got it from Burlington 2 years back, and this chair was a collab, and the pillows from Amazon. And as you know, the garland is from a tree that I cut. I really love the way it is right now, guys. So another best way for me to make my home look nice without spending too much money. And those ornaments, a lot of them I already have at home. It's only the big one that I add to the tree. And like I said, I didn't want too much heavy color, and because I know I can change from time to time. That's the way everything look like right now during daytime. And I put this TV here for a reason, and in my previous video I explained the reason why I put the TV here. And guys, this is upstairs, very nice, and I like it. So let me know your thoughts. So just leave me a comment down below. Let me know what do you think of my decor. If that's something, if you have a home like that, you will recreate at your home, or is I did a good job, just let me know. So I would love to hear from you guys. And this is my DIY, guys. I use the branches of the tree, and I really love the outcome. This is the tree from far away, and guys, keep in mind, this is not my main tree. It's just a starting point that I'm doing just to start Christmas, because most of the time that's in the afternoon, that's where we spend time. So I think, okay, let me start by this place first. And guys, this vase I put in the corner. I didn't want to put any coffee table, side table here. I just put the vase just to, I didn't want this place to be crowded, because like I said, that's a place me and my children, we spend time watching movies and let them be kids so they can do whatever they want here. because like I said, my living room is to look at, but this place, that's where they can be kids. They can eat there, they can watch movie, they can do whatever they want, and there's no restriction here as long as they clean after themselves. I really love here.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da. Oh oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, seize all the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.